Hi, my name is Alexandre Besson and I'm the founder of Mint Evolutive Timepiece. We created the first self-customizable watch, a product you can easily modify by yourself, allowing self-expression and uniqueness. Our goal is to provide an awesome customer experience, allowing interaction with the product like never before. With Mint, you are in control. We choose to keep key manufacturing processes such as product assembly, movement regulation, and waterproof testing here in Hong Kong. This gives us a better control on the final product overall quality. Our partner has been in business for more than 23 years. They are the last to still run their operation locally, and we're the only company able to provide us with full testing and 100% quality control on the production. Please guys, help us to bring this project to life. Thank you very much.